Test 1. Hello everyone, my name is John Martinus Manglang and my student number is 020111822227002. Today I'm going to read a passage about Friday the 13th, superstition, and why many people still believe it brings bad luck. Passage 1. However, despite the beliefs of these 17 to 21 million people, there is no evidence that accident 1 are more likely to happen on Friday the 13th. On the contrary, some studies have shown there are actually fewer accidents on Friday the 13th. A recent report completed by a Dutch insurance company showed that there were fewer incidents of fires and death on Fridays that fell on the 13th than on any other Fridays in the same year. It is highly probably there is a reduction in accident owes itself to the fear of Friday the 13th itself. If people are more cautious on Friday the 13th, then there are likely to be fewer accidents. If then there is no significant evidence that Friday the 13th is any more dangerous than any other day of the year. Guido Frigaritreschi the Catholics remain convinced of its unluckiness, while the historical or folk traditions discussed early many have something to do with this belief. People may also assume links to justify their superstition. If a frigate Triska de Capovic loses his word on Tuesday the 20th, for example, he would probably not assign any meaning to the date on which this event occurred. If the same individual loses his wallet on Friday the 13th, however, he might be likely to conclude that the inauspicious nature of Friday the 13th was at fault. Thank you for your watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.